Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Airbnb payout method. Whether you're a new host preparing for your first booking or simply updating your payment information, setting up your payout method correctly ensures you'll receive your earnings smoothly and without delays. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, head over to Airbnb.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. Enter your account credentials to access your Airbnb account. This is where you'll manage all your hosting settings and financial information. After logging in, click on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account to access your account settings. This section is your control center for managing everything related to your Airbnb profile and hosting preferences. Once you're in your account settings, look at the menu on the left side of the page and click on Payments and Payouts. This tab houses all your financial settings, including how you pay for bookings and how you receive money as a host. Near the top of this page, you'll see a Payouts tab. Click on it to focus specifically on how you'll receive your hosting earnings. Now you'll see an option to set up payouts. Click this button to begin adding your payout method. The first thing Airbnb needs to know is your country or region, as this determines which payout options are available to you. Select your location from the list provided. Next, you'll be presented with available payout methods for your region. These typically include options like bank transfer, PayPal, Pay 1 Year, and others depending on where you're located. Choose the method that works best for you. Bank transfers are often the most direct option, while services like PayPal offer additional flexibility. After selecting your preferred method, you'll need to enter the required details accurately. This might include your bank account number, routing number, PayPal email address, or other information depending on your chosen method. Double-check everything before proceeding, as errors can delay your payments. Click Next or Save to submit your information. Airbnb will now verify your payout method. Some methods are verified instantly, while others may take several days to process. Once verified, your payout method becomes active and you'll automatically receive payments through it whenever you complete a hosting stay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.